There are many common myths on diets, weight loss, and overeating you might have been led to believe in. This is what I want to talk to you about today. I'll start with the myth, you must be thin to succeed. In today's society, it seems that in order to be successful in life, you must be thin. Do you know that one? Looking back through paintings and pictures from the past, or even other cultures nowadays, thin women were not necessarily considered to be the ideal of beauty and success, but rather quite the opposite. You may say, that was then, this is now. Had I lived then, that would be a different story, but I don't. This is a common point of view for most of us today, and we are used to accepting it for what it is without asking any question. This is how it is, and so be it. But think about it. There must be a price to pay to keep holding that thought as true. What is the price you are paying in order to live by this myth, I must be thin to succeed? I used to think, since I must be thin, I must do whatever it takes. And if you're like I was, what it takes is going through lots of diets and different weight loss plans quite obsessively, fighting overeating and still struggling with yo-yo weight day in and day out for years and years, and keep failing, but still going on with it, because if you want to be successful, you must be thin. Think about the price you're paying regarding your body image, regarding your self-image, your confidence, regarding how it affects the quality of your life. It's a pity, isn't it? I invite you to play with the idea that it might be only a myth, that it may not be true, even though lots of people think so. Look and see around you. There are so many successful people who are not thin, right? Although being thin may be fun and desirable, and that's perfectly fine, the assumption that only if we are thin can we be pretty, successful, and realize our dreams costs us putting our real lives on hold, and by doing so, we are not living them to its fullest. In short, not only that this myth was not always true in the past, it's not even true now. Yet, like many myths, it persists because the collective consciousness holds this idea as truth, and most of us don't even dare to challenge and object it. But people are waking up. You can too, just by seeing the myth for what it is. Then you can live life to the fullest. You can get more information about the subject in my free 7-day course and start living your life to its fullest today.